start, let us introduce ourselves first. I'm Amir Noran Salam.
I'm Leanne Dao.
Today, we will be discussing one of the effective way of time management strategies called the Pomodoro Techniques. As a student, we often struggle with procrastination, distractions, and managing multiple tasks. The Pomodoro techniques help us stay focused, improve productivity, and complete our tasks without feeling overwhelmed.
What is the Pomodoro Technique? The Pomodoro Technique is a time management method developed by Francesco Cirillo in the late 1980s. So basically it means it divides work into short, focused study sessions called Pomodoros, followed by short breaks. Pomodoro Technique is simple and easy. So first things first, set a timer for 25 minutes. And second of all, choose a task that you want to commit to. Third of all is keeping away your distractions and all the other things that can distract your focus. And after the timer rings, do a 5-minute break. And after 4 Pomodoro's timers, take a longer break for 15 to 30 minutes.
By the way, I'm Saljani Saima and I'm Kusang Hamaen. Method works because it breaks large tasks into smaller and more manageable sessions. Instead of studying for several hours without rest, you focus on one task for only 25 minutes. This helps your brain stay fresh and makes studying less stressful.
Okay, so there are many benefits of Pomodoro technique. First is it improves concentration because you focus only on one task at a time. And second, it helps reduce procrastination since studying is just 35 minutes and it feels easier. It feels easier than thinking about several hours of work. And it also prevents burnout. It also prevents burnout because regular breaks allow your mind to rest. And lastly is it increases productivity and helps students finish their assignment more efficiently.
So these are the common practical tips. First things first is turn off your phone notifications. Second is find a quiet place. Third is use a timer or Pomodoro app. Fourth is focus on one task only. And fifth is use breaks to stretch or recall. So to make the Pomodoro technique more effective, first things first is remove distractions and commit to your task without engaging into anything that diverts your focus into the task. When the break comes, stand up and stretch, drink water and relax. And use that break to replenish your willpower for the task.
Yes, tapos na rin sa wakas.
This strategy is useful not only for studying but also for
Reading.
And writing lesson, writing reports.
and preparing for exams. We encourage you to try these strategies, Pomodoro techniques, because even small changes in how you manage your time can be lead to a better academic success. So that's all. Thank you